This is Annie with another Microbiome Minute. Did you know that this Friday is Chia Seed Day? Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, protein, and iron. The omega-3 in the chia seed also aids in good cholesterol, which protects against heart attack and stroke. My favorite way of incorporating chia seeds into my diet is with chia seed pudding. To make this, mix together 6 tablespoons chia seeds, 2 cups almond milk, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, and a half teaspoon vanilla extract. I even like to add a scoop of prebiotin to add more healthy fiber to the pudding. Once the chia pudding mixture is combined, let it sit for 5 minutes. Then, stir the mixture to break up any clumps of chia seeds. Cover this and put the mixture in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. When the pudding is ready, I recommend topping it with your berries of choice. I like to add strawberries and blueberries. This has been a Microbiome Minute by Prebiotin Prebiotic Fiber.